Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic 12 gas, look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch, I'm from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bought it, then.
Watch their entire video. What's good, DEEZY Nation? I ain't did a voiceover in a minute. But anyway, I am just taking out my baby hairs. Mind you, I no longer have no baby hairs. Furthermore, I hated how I did my baby hairs in this video. Actually, I hated this hairstyle altogether. Like, my ponytail was supposed to be higher, my bun was supposed to be tighter, and my baby hairs wasn't slapping. But anyway, I'm taking this wax stick and I'm putting it on the perimeter of my hair. This gives it extra hold. This is my first time using the wax stick, and I'm surprised I freaking found one. But anyway, yep, I'm just putting it around the perimeter of my head, of my hair, all over. It gives it the extra hold, like I said. So once I finish that, I'm just brushing it through. Mind you, it's wax, like it's hair wax. It's literally how wax would feel. So you literally have to smooth it out, rub it in, and everything like that. So once I rub everything in and I get it to my liking, I'm going to put it in a ponytail just so it can hold. And then I'm going to get my Got To Be glue spray, and I'm going to spray that. And that's gonna hold everything in place, like everything. Now I got my Got To Be, and I'm gonna just spray it. Have you ever seen a Got To Be commercial? I feel like their slogan is like, got to be so crazy not to use this, or got to be something. Like, if they had a commercial or a logo, or logo phrase or whatever, I think they thing would be good. But yep, once I put the spray on there, I take out the ponytail and I redo it again. And then I just repeat the process for the rest of my hair. Now the rest of my hair is like extremely short because I have like a bob, you can say. So I mean, it lasted when I went out. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see the pictures. But the nape of my neck kind of came undone, but just a little bit. And yeah. Oh, and I put oil on my scalp just because I felt it needed to be moisturized.
Perfect.
So now my hair is to my liking. And I'm just taking these paper wraps and wrapping it the best way I can around my hair just so it can dry and just so it can hold correctly. So now that's done, I'm just going to take my real hair and just put it in a little bun.
Perfect.
So I got this hair from the beauty supply store. I thought it was going to be cute, but like you'll see that you won't be able to see that blue. But I felt like if I would have like, let me see, like how would I say it, match it up, it would have looked cute. But anyway, I take the rubber band that's already on the hair and put it over my ponytail once. Then I just do a 2-strand twist around, do a 2-strand twist on the ponytail, and I literally wrap it, and I let the hair go whichever way it wants. And I mean, it'll go. I mean, if you don't like it, as you'll see, I'll take it down and do it over. But I mean, it's all up to you. It's gonna go whatever way it wants to go. So once you figure out a way, or once you do a way that you like, then just tuck the ends underneath the ponytail. You'll see. And I recommend getting pre-stretched hair because you don't need any extra anything. Like, you don't need to cut the ends. You don't need any rubber band over the ponytail, over the bun, or whatever. It literally goes right under and it stays there. So this is how I liked my bun. It was cute like this to me. Oh, mind you, my bun should have been like on top of my head. It was too far back. Like, I wanted it on top of my head, which is why another reason I didn't like this hairstyle. But I had already recorded it, so yeah. Oh my gosh, look at the hair that I took out for my baby hairs. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna do this style again, and when I do, like, I'm gonna record it again. So time for the baby hairs. I just took my wax stick and just put it over my baby hairs, and then I took the Got To Be Glue edge control thing, the one that's in the black bottle, and I just put that on top of my edges just so it can be an extra hold. I can't believe I did my edges like this. I don't even wear my edges like this. I never wore my edges like this. Ugh. It looks like I got a big mustache on my forehead. Watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Mustache. You know, like them old school mustache that like flips up and out. Yeah. And yeah, I just do that. Get it to my liking. Even though it wasn't to my liking at all, but you get what I'm saying.
Perfect.
So for my fake sideburns, I just put a little bit of wax there. I was gonna like curl them, but then I decided to change my mind and kept them straight. But you could have curled them, did like a spiral curl down them or whatever. And then the hairs in the back, I already knew those are too freaking short.